Welcome back to our Python series. So far we have learned how to store data in variables, take input from users and perform calculations with operators. But here's the question, how can we tell our program to make decisions? For example, if a student's marks are above 40, they pass, otherwise they fail. That's where conditional statements come in. So let's explore them. What are conditional statements? Conditional statements in Python are used to make decisions in a program. They allow the program to execute certain blocks of code only when specific conditions are true. So there are different types of conditional statements: if statement, if else statement, if else statement, nested if statements. So let's explore one by one. If statement. In Python we use if statement to check a condition. If a condition is true, the code inside runs. So let's understand with the example. If I say age is equal to 18 and we are giving the condition if age is greater than equal to 18, then print you are eligible to vote. Let's run this code. So you see, we have given the age 18, so the condition is true and the code run and it gives the output you are eligible to vote. What happens if age is equal to 15? Will the message print or no? Not? Please comment below. Now next we see if else statement. Sometimes we want the program to do one thing if the condition is true and something else if it's false. That's where else comes in. So this is the syntax of if else statement. Let's see the example. Age is equal to 15. If age is greater than equal to 18, print let's copy it. Else print sorry, you are not eligible yet. Let's run it. Shift enter. Unterminated string literals. So anyone please tell me what is the error here? Yeah, here. Now it is saying else invalid syntax. So the code runs and sorry, you are not eligible yet because the age was 15. Now let's see another statement. If else statement. Now what if we have multiple conditions? Let's understand with the example. If we have marks greater than 90, then it would be grade A. Marks greater than equal to 75, grade B. Marks greater than equal to 50, grade C. Else fail. So let's write a program or code for that. Marks is equal to int. We are giving the input. Enter your marks. If marks greater than equal to 90, print grade A. For else if, we use elif marks greater than equal to 75, print grade B. Else if marks greater than equal to 50, print grade C. Else print fail. Now let's run this code. Enter your marks. If I enter 40, so let's see what will be the output. Fail, because we have given the condition If there is marks greater than 9 greater than equal to 90, then grade A, and like that grade B, C, and my marks was. Now this time I will put the marks 84, so grade B. Now nested if statements. A nested if is an if statement placed inside another if statement. It allows checking multiple conditions in a hierarchical way. So this is the syntax for nested if statement. So let's understand with the example. So here is the example. If I put 20 here and if I say yes, now run this code. You are an adult, you are eligible to vote. And if I say the age is 15, no, then what will happen? You are not an adult. Okay. And if I say 18, then what will happen? You are an adult, you must be a citizen to vote. So you see, today we have learned how to use if, else and else if to make our program think and make decision. So please try all these conditions and try to write code and just play around the codes. And the most important thing, if you like my video and you want videos like that, so please like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the next part. Will be on loops, so we can repeat task without writing the same code again and again. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.